You deserves everything. I know all your secrets, oh. Uncle Duncan. For your record, I know Fafa, Auntie Fafa, the woman. Yeah, I met Fafa some years back when she did her charity show. I met her through your former pastor, Nana Addo Nyame. You see the pastor you sang, Nana Addo Nyame. He took me to Fafa's house in Trasako. So everything you did to Fafa before her divorce, after her divorce, Papa, I know it, but I've never said. I know you, Bishop. I respect you as a man, not as a man of God. I respect you as a man, but not as a man of God. Because I know you inside out since 2017. I'm not going to say anything. But all I am saying is, Bishop, you are not God. You can't control Bawumia's destiny. You are not God. I just want you to know that I know Fafa. Fafa, your former church member, Fafa, everything you did before her divorce, after her divorce. I've been to Fafa's house. That day, I ate Chinese. After that, I went to Fafa's charity program at Efwa Sutherland Park. When Auntie Fafa did the charity event for all the orphanages in Ghana, I was there. That day, KOD was there. Archbishop Duncan Williams. I know everything. But I'm not going to say anything. All I want to say is, you do not hold the key to Bawumia's destiny. You see, all the things, the anti-Bawumia things that you are doing, Bishop, God is king. If you have the key to anybody's destiny, your son will not behave the way he was behaving. It shows that you are human. Archbishop Duncan Williams, if you have all the powers, and got the your son will not behave the way he was behaving. Bishop, with all due respect, me, I'm an alcoholic. I smoke. My children don't smoke. I have never hidden from my children that my children don't smoke. They don't drink. Because me bonnie, Archbishop, I don't think bad. No. I wish everybody well. I don't orchestrate things against people. So God has made it his job to protect my own. Archbishop, the way me, I guard people's children and people's life, the way I protect people with all my heart, with all my soul. With all my heart and all my soul. Archbishop. And it has become God's option to protect mine. The reason why your daughter Elsie is not married and your son is behaving the way is your heart. I'm telling you. I'm not insulting you. I'm chastising you. I want you to know that we know. But we don't want my brother. We know. You are a man of God. You can't determine God's agenda. Going about saying a Muslim will not become a president over your dead body. Archbishop, me, I'm not wishing you dead. But your words are powerful because it can happen over your dead body. So be careful. I'm just saying. Your words, you are a man of God. So your words are powerful. So as you are prophesying that it can happen over your dead body, may it happen over your dead body. Be very careful. Be very careful. And just recall, you are the father of the land. You are the father of the land. Stop doing that. You, Archbishop, you know what you did? You abandoned John Mahama. Said in John Mahama, you abandoned John Mahama. And dined with the enemies. Do you know who told me? Prophet Nana Addo told me the day you did party for the MPP. And Nana Addo considered defeat now we a dinner. Emma MPP for Ofino. Prophet Nana Addo told me, I want you to know that I know you. But I respect you so much to say something about you. I respect you so much, and I kind of have relationship with your children. And to me, but Papa, why you be a yeah? Why you be Baunia on you? Baunia on your way. The only thing is, if he becomes president, you can't manipulate him because of your money, and that is affecting you. But stop what you are doing. Stop it. Stop it. I am so surprised that John Mahama is trusting you now. I am so surprised. And that part of me makes me think John Mahama is still like, he is still forgiving in some way. Because you abandoned John Mahama. You were dining with Akufo-Addo. You are the brain behind the National Cathedral. You and also Bempa orchestrated it, injected it into the president's head. You are the brain behind National Cathedral. You are the reason why John Mahama said, yeah, hospital on Sibowesi Cathedral. Bishop, I just want you to know that TV Joshua Kureu.
Yes.
Yeah, Uncle Felix, the problem right now, they say, Sami Jefiasema Abano, they are trying to bribe AMPP4. So earlier on the show, I came to show the evidence that they got in touch with me. They took my mobile money number and they sent me 2,000 Ghana cedis. And I am aware, say, there are other few MPP TikTokers that also received this. So, what do you think? Say, NDC 40 million, we are my sick, say, better 214 million. And I showed to our viewers, say, 214 million, who person will see 3-bedroom apartment, a bet me see baku 2,300 of them.
Kaish.
That's 3-bedroom apartment, Who person who thought Toyota Vitz 2022 model now, a bet me at 96,000 of them.
Cho.
Sika NDC 40, Skana Irano no. And I say, yeah, Oma making loss, no. So, what do you think about this loss and their attempt to silence or to make us keep quiet on the issue? That is what I'm discussing.
All right. I mean, voice. I'm going somewhere, so I'll keep it brief. The issue is this: the current NPP that we have, some of them has allowed themselves to be puppets out of bitterness and out of hunger. Because on any day, I don't see any reason why any NDC person should even have the boldness, if MPP was on its feet, to go and say that he's going to bribe an MPP person. But this is, John Mahama's government. It is all about setting. What you say? It's all about setting. Because someone who said they are they can't get around it. So what can we do to kill the story? Remember, Sami Jenfi is one of the contenders for vice president. Just you know. Yes. He's going to be part of the people at NDC for the Beba as a vice president. He is one of the names they are thinking about. So they are trying to clean that boy.
Yes.
What makes me sad about it?
This is a message here.
Okay.
You can sit in the car. Good morning. Trust you are good. Yeah. I have a gift from lawyer Eric AJ and lawyer Sami Jenfi. Kindly send your Momo number and account name for it. And I made sure they send you and I'm already send here. I showed our people also the Momo alert as it came.
Exactly.
Because evidence in there here. And then cash in received 2,000 Ghana cedis. And then the same time.
The truth of the matter and then they say. They have no message. They know they have failed, so they have to do these settings. Sadly, the other day I was complaining about our TikTokers, some of them, and people didn't understand me. The voice, me no jina ha ye jiri yan say MPP mra power no. Obi opeso oba live no bi so aba no ontumi nya $20. Opeso onya 1 cedi, opeso onya 2 cedi. Ono so ni aim no. And those are the people as Obeti still maintain. Even when they know things are bad, because still maintain for the kakrasha yafunumu. Inti yaba yen to me nkasa. Now, the issue about Sami Jenfi in said they should know crime does not expire.
At all.
Crime does not expire. And because crime does not expire, whatever they are doing or whatever has been done would be brought back, including the do for money, including the double salaries.
Saglemi and everything.
We will bring all of them back. So let them keep sharing the 2,000. a buy a j, almost the bad j, Zikadi almost puska. Correct. GD. Now you make sure say, Onyame ya adom, na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Minia, it me the nisi abenu anaswa. Ghana bed they say. Me say NDC for so omo pa, anase omo pa on the 5th of December. Almost starting pack your money in free Ghana. So move be no baby or mobile. Into almost starting pack your money in free Ghana. Because if they stay in Ghana, if they stay in Ghana, we will make sure that life will be so better for them. They will hate the day they were born. Because we've seen all they've done. And we've seen what they've come to do. And we are not going to let it rest. Believe me, yeah? People think, say, MPP, but yet to say first MPP, now buy my learned colleague. Yeah. And say, yeah, ba, what about learned colleague? Who's in a parliament one, yeah, the maybe would have went chow ma. Yeah, this time, because you say NDC in your party, you dibu mine. DS is to destroy. DS is to create and loot. And the judge who said that was right when he said create and loot and share. Yeah. They create it, they loot, and they share. I can tell you on authority, say, 214 million dollars, he say.
Dollars.
And yet yes. I'm telling you on authority. On my check.
Yeah.
Start 10 billion, almost somebody share away dollar, and you throw. The money is there. It's called media shame do 10 billion. Because Okachem say you invested 10 billion to only get a 3 CD increase on your currency. That is stupidity. Yeah. Because here kono na eda 14 and I'm a and a dollar and 11. in way nominal terms, it's only 3 CDs. Yeah. And you as a Ghanaian, we end this new, we end people new. Unyan Sachre will say, some 10 billion. Education scheme for Scano to just get 3 CDs booster, are you good? What do you mean, Juma? And your politics. I don't call that politics. That is somebody who has chosen to be a stupid thinker, and they are exhibiting their stupidity. Because there is no normal person on this side. Bro, I live in Canada, okay? I can tell you on authority. For the next year will be 26 years I've been here. You don't hear billions like that, too. Bema, when Corona came, you only hear, we have sent $2 million to maybe for waykeeping. Maybe we have given 5 million for. You never hear billion. Ghana no cap in hand or cost and sand or did and also the $10 billion as you see the men at 3 CD and Ghanaians are happy like this General K guy here. Not during Yajuma. General K not during Yajuma because on the cry 10 billion. I'm say or the 10 billion never could see the men at 3 CD span. Not during Yajuma, but you see here no or trouble because again say your politics. Oh yeah, I was on the page, and when they talk, I also talk some. Hey, senior, come and see me. I was talking to them. Jimmy only do you. Ojina here or cast only. I'm telling you only the bro, only the but to be Jina here, Jimmy. Tell him Robin Kabi.
Me that's Uncle Felix. Thank you so much. That's Uncle Felix from Air Canada. And Uncle Felix, yesterday I took time to watch our Prime Minister. The end of year interview, and I tell you, you never hear them mention billions, there. So it's true, Maestro. And then the Maestro just finished about a 4-hour, 5-hour live. I'm just surprised. I said, Maestro, thank you for joining, my brother.
My brother. I didn't always true. My first with you, which was senor. Hey, Stone, which was so I. Sorry for today. The next show now, Abano. Now, reading the book, now after you can in order. Radia Coupon. Hey, I said, whoa. We were saying a cocoa. I was a cocoa crow on Tonum Workout. I was a cocoa crow on Tonum Workout. Hey, boys. Yes. Now you never check your K. Yet, na what's the share? Etu amuna mo bi do bi nkotoma ke enye bona wanka se bokwa koto amuna no mu. We are in this country and na yenkosi oye cathedral na yemfama Ghana fuma bi ni nye edwuma enya wose yensen wie nti yekokotu se manhole se abada 58 million ma ye disikana keke we disikana people disikana boma na kaw wa boma na kaw Me who an impa de senye who does structures in wo. Na obia wo Ghana wo wiase beka cho de. Bibi dem na wo isi no mo okofom no kwampo no sometime no ya ebono mpo wo so mpo sin mede be kesi so. Na so nkofi ye ka same gemfi e ka ho ye propaganda. Ye ka de same gemfi na ode dem ba wo lie ne be anamoboa.
Onwa.
Yankopon we tua na kaw Yankopon bo continue tua na kaw. And the one you are kwekesi gold a wo President Mahama abon home wasn't a leverage Ghanaian people one life. Ghanaian people Ghana for wo go on one life. Wana abrabo woni bibia Mahama son fa no ho. Ghana for be year e won nyama wo de fa Fred galamsey na nsi ntinkofolo no ma wo be year ye ne ediban le say wo wo ngolo nyinsan ma nyinsan le say Mahama say as far as wolu to gold no mo gold no bagano ho ntili to okay so nkofu wukrampo na se kan bagano at least one for gold no for nkwa abrochi na obi nkanya ne free to nkofu wumpa o you okay I don't know Mahama catch hen
okay pa
abaka da mensem nyina da Ghana fo nande yet na ha wo cotton the same gold na one leverage Ghanaian lives no na won cotton no wa baba ka chen dey 214 million na mo ye mebufu kase point de same gemfi mbe no mecha so baba ka chen dey the gold board no is not abada venture
profit making venture.
I was like, does this guy think that he's just speaking to them because he for 6 million or to abama this no koti anade yenyanu yentibro fan de yentibro fan? What does he mean? So on your profit making venture now, and then one year gold mon chance say it doesn't make sense then. E go to gold no on your profit into the go to battle go to nkofo emba ewu e go to nkofo akwa year. Then you abaka chen there on your profit making venture. Abanyansa no wom. And now feed there. Yen nyina se nya yan costume pendre chimpo at least ka credit yet asiri until the NDC funo. That is what they don't get voice. That is what it will feed they say no what are you will feed it. You are one of those guys now at the $2 bid the one sasa no what they minka. Ewu in the area bring mo bebe ye. Stone no wa so wo kwen da ma me say what you do na te work on you go there in China make say why should that way MPP yo now so I brought 20 million or say 2000 there man can na abaka na NDC fun kwase fun na wo go live na so no she say 10 series me order am 20 series 20 series so and I would down one of the bobo go and the voice some can and they be seeing and kasa any MPP from impending far 20 years to abano. We need to learn the man then was we need to learn then you see him and problem no on problem no and problem no then tomorrow could you na shedan kofi ewie sika na me say in the day one ade be no na me nyim hawa men curve or your story no. Into me tell them it doesn't make sense. I didn't know how is it true? Because now there's still no mentasi. It is true. There's something you feel cotton good house wabakau. I mean it's how much in your man do? The man the message in my baba Canada. Do yampa. Hey Ghana phone on your MPP nanga say the one bro voice. I'm here na mama kind there. Are we learning something from it? But if you are MPP onko si the ben. And the debia apati be see no mu. Onko si the ben na debia ye beti nkofo wona no. Nti ye beti fe ye nkonkoto aba. And no onko si the ben ye mpemfu no wo bo sua the politics. It looks like they are just there, being there with your MPP leaders, but they are not doing the politics that we've voted them to do. That is not what normally we could do. A MPP secretary to us, but now what you know, they are not doing politics. As we are sitting here, say you next one watch your crampona. Since I semi bay no, say fee pa de inkano MPP as John War and Kawamba press conference. Because they don't want to do what is expected them to do. When you're like, oh, why internal politics? And go for why internal politics? No, one way when see what one manage or your MP party. No, are they part? Sometimes no, as some people say, and you want to say but at the moment, able contact one about one candidature. Also, probably another one a less contest. I won't walk into a pedal 2 seconds in bomba. Now I test you. But baby on here will party the muna put in one canoe. They will never respond to it. Now yet nahade. And then NDC from Ibina Shade, NDC they are so smart and would demikiki about more 20 million. So nyada eye obia one kasana found today. No matter what they cannot buy your silencer. Ebo huna ye di na ho.
Yeah.
Let's still maintain. Now see my kind of are we learning something out of it? Now maybe the fellow second, the moon coffee. Say you give me about power, Jimmy or cats now. You bet social media to we are not going to allow all this nonsense to continue. Because sometimes all your yo. They say NDC Bay, they were trying. Malau Machina moon the summer and then or twist as some comfort Christian Esha. The stations are organ a day. Men with the Joy FM, I started a Jandam. Joy FM are now putting a whole lot of stories on you the last year. And the MPP crowd go in your Beno walk out. Men with the way Jandam. You see, all these guys have been bought.
Yeah.
And can you say voice when your voice, you say, then you want MPP for one him down as a kick to one in sim. Ask what to have been in there. Don't you about me, I want to be post in the company. They have to do one simple show on Kotokum. Don't watch a share TikTokers because it's the friendliness with the media. No, it's not there in Ghana. Look for your people. What social media no about to the message in Ako. 1 year with one such one Kotokum and the NDC for saying, no, what you see, silence Monkofo.
The truth of the matter in there. They don't have no communicators apart from the social media communicators.
Exactly.
And this is where they have to put their things in there. This is where they have to put their investment in.
Mayor will disagree with you.
Oh, please. Jai. Say Mayor know it's true. How many of them are going on? You said, oh, continue you. UTV. Communication.
Voice. My fellow second is true. Voice. My fellow second is true. If their voice, if they, I believe they are running quickly to TikTok to give you guys money. They know that TikTok, most of the times we control even the media. Though they will do what they a join no start away Jandam. Uncle baby because it is not being carried anywhere. Uncle baby because we uncle baby because what's starting say if so obest taker and they will never run to you and try to bribe you to keep quiet. I believe one can wait to join me can have a join no matter what 10 story no won't stay over there. But they are running to TikTok. This is where all the MPP for no. Onye ye munyani ye kade ye pay you, but trust me, I'm in Ghana voice e wo Ghana na Ghana na setena no e kire wo sesi ai hwe wo e kwampa e da ba betena TikTok enyimri. Do you know how much you are going to spend? Do you know how much you are? It's not easy. It is not. Now what's one sash one kotokum ba we na mom de yenhwe ba me mo wi ni sesi ano the same people na waka post. When are we going to learn? When the young leaders they are going to learn from the leaders to Asaya to Aba. She won't see and all your MPP buying us here to Aba. We shouldn't think like the NDC because ye Aba. They be a macadam Ye NDC are joining in your Korean Yansan NDC. Enti onye de bia na NDC aganda ma yebe de chi de betene fe enkoto aba onye de bia na Canada Japan na wa kwakoton oye MPP ama Oh yeah, because this kind of Canadian points and Canadian points are going to continue coming in the MPP because whenever they don't have their way, they will go rampage, they will go ransack and try to destroy this party because they are not having their way. Those people, they are going to be there with us.
Yeah.
They are going to be there with us. And conform you greedy, as one way, and the end no. They are always going to be with us. And to say you MPP members, we need to let that one stick in our head. And Madam nonsense about good party this time around. No way, we are not going to agree with you because young from Combe, young from Combe, nah, your point can down for home and then Yamania say Antinefia, Nkasami Jenfi, in Concoton go to work out 214 million. This year, Yana Shad, the investigation better. This year in we've lost 300 million to corruption. 300 million, oh. And think if we go now to Nina 300 million in for our and son on top of it, some infinite 214 million. This year, young Casano, 500 million to corruption, $500 million over here.
And yeah, Yankai say, that 214 million, as at September.
Yes,
as at September, no.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And
as at
September
2020.
No, that guy has to go to jail. That guy